We're in Cobourg at one of the most established family neighborhoods, which is close to parks, schools, shoppings, and everyday amenities. This is the kind of home that works just as well for growing families as it does downsizers. Stepping inside, you're welcomed by a bright, comfortable main floor that feels both inviting and functional. Hardwood floors add warmth throughout the main living space, while large windows allow natural light to flow throughout the home. The kitchen is designed for everyday living with a functional layout and direct access to the rear deck, making it easy to move between indoor and outdoor living during the warmer months. The main floor offers 3 well-proportioned bedrooms, creating a layout that works well for families, guests, or anyone needing additional space for a home office. The partially finished lower level adds another dimension to the home, providing valuable living space that can evolve with your family's needs. Whether it's a large family room, a games area, space for teenagers, or a quiet retreat, there are plenty of possibilities here. Outside, the rear deck overlooks a spacious backyard with plenty of room to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy time outdoors. With comfortable living spaces, a partially finished lower level, and a location that's convenient for every stage of life, this is a home that's ready for its next chapter.